Kind regards. My name is Jimmy Mauricio Ramirez. I am going to read five tongue twisters. Okay, let's start. First one. All I want is a proper cup of coffee made in a proper copper coffee pot. I may be of my dad, but I want a cup of coffee from a proper coffee pot. Tin coffee pot and iron coffee pot. They're no use to me if I can't have a proper cup of coffee. In a proper copper coffee pot, I'll have a cup of tea. Second, one was a race horse. Two was one, two. When one won one race, two won one, two. Third, of all the felt I ever felt, I never felt a piece of felt which felt as fine as that felt when first I felt that felt had felt. For at least the mist and colder frost, with tortoise reach a longest boast, he throws his fist against the post and still insists he sees the go. 5. Three thinkers thinking thick saffron talk. Thanks for watching and God bless you.